If I were going to college here, or if I were working here and I were single, I would definitely take a look at this place. Maybe if I were an investor too. But it's really nice as a starter home for someone who loves Alameda and may want to take the ferry to the city or just live right here in Alameda. It's about 9:30 in the morning. And this is one charming studio. You can leave the door open with the security door closed. It's literally like a studio apartment, only it's a single family house. Bathtub with a shower. Sink with a vanity. Laundry here in the unit by the mini fridge. And that's about it. There's no yard. There's a little storage space outside.